Hi, I'm Pop Sigong. Welcome to my channel where I show my personal martial art, Bagua Kuntao Silat. Today, it's next level basic practice of section 2 of my 64 palms form. Typically, my form is broken up into 8 sections. That's how I teach it and that's how it's learned. And eventually you'll do all 8 at once. And I teach in 4 separate modes, as you can learn on my website in my forums where I've posted about it. Next level basic, this is where we learn how to control our structure externally and internally, being able to completely feel our bodies, move our centers at will, learn how to accept force, issue force, rotate our joints properly, maintain our root, and move properly throughout the range of movement. And the techniques that you're learning in this section or throughout the entire form, as we have next level basic practice for each section of the form. Then turn. Now, that's the basic practice for section 2. But next level basic, as we did our previous section of next level basic for section 1, we go much slower. And when I say much slower, it should take you several minutes to finish this section. Now, I'm not going to regale you with the excruciating detail of watching me move at a snail's pace for 5 minutes as I execute those movements. However, I am going to execute them slowly and describe each movement so you know how to do them properly and what to look for. Again, twin double cutting palms at the end of section 1. And from here, you'll notice the twin double cutting palms. When we do it from the section, you're spiraling, curling in, spiraling out, and it's spiraling again this way and cutting forward, but it's spiraling as that motion goes up from the ground, through your body, and out, spiraling, uncoiling your skeleton as it cuts forward. From this method, you step forward and underneath your left hand, and all your weight shifting as I show in the fundamentals of stepping. Piercing palm with the cover of your elbow and solar plexus. From here, you step forward with a rising elbow strike. Notice how my position is. Feet turned inward, hand sliding along the face, up through the hair, elbow up, protecting my armpit, lower body, this hand protecting my heart as it rises, and my weight smoothly moving forward as this elbow thrusts forward into the opponent or through the opponent, depending upon what I'm trying to accomplish. From there, we go to Kaupu stepping and torquing palm with both. Rotating, torquing both of our limbs. So we move into torquing palm from here with Kaupu stepping, as you've seen in my other videos. Then outward palm with Baifu stepping. Back into torquing palm. And notice my weight is sunk. My hips are below my shoulders, even though my shoulders are sunk and relaxed. My chest is sunken, and all my weight is just straight down as if I'm hanging from a string. And my feet are in Kaupu position, such as this. From here, we step into a squatting position with heaven, earth, palm, and we move penetrating earth, penetrating heaven. And from here, it's pushing outward. And you see my leg moving. And from there, swallow skims the lake. And this follows up, striking palm, striking palm, striking palm. That's the method. I'll show you from the other side. I'll show you from the front as we move. Again, this should take you several minutes. And what I mean by that, 3 to 5 minutes for the form. Watching it is excruciating unless you know what you're doing. Much like golf, unless you know what's going through their minds, what they're contemplating, what they're looking for, you typically don't want to watch it. However, with this, if you understand what I'm controlling, what I'm feeling in my body, what I'm manipulating, what I'm making sure of through the entire chain, it's very interesting to watch all the details. And again, from here, notice, as in all next level basic practice, lower and slower. And that was too fast. I simply wanted to emphasize the continuous smooth movement. That's what I want you to work up to. That's as fast as I ever want you to do that practice at next level basic, what I just showed you. It should be truly excruciatingly slow. You should feel it in your muscles, especially your legs and lower back, as you seek to maintain your structure, as your weight is hanging off your skeleton. And if your back isn't properly positioned, it'll feel the weight and you'll feel a slight soreness and achiness. However, when you move properly and your skeleton is positioned properly, your lower back won't feel it. However, your legs will until they become conditioned. Another reason for next level basic practice. Again, slowly. Again, lower and slower, next level basic. I'm going to be squatted down. And again from the other side. This time, I'm going to do it slowly and appropriately how I want you to do it. Paying particular attention to foot movement and placement, skeletal position and structure. And you can see how my limbs are already torquing and spiraling and on themselves, embracing the self. And that took about probably a minute and a half. Still too quick However, much better. And the reason is I still can't let myself sit here and let you watch me move that slowly. Anyway, practice the form as slow as you can, then even slower. Time yourself. Use your phone or stopwatch if they still have those around. I'm sure they do. But use your phone at least 3 minutes for all the movements. Section 2, next level basic practice. Thank you for watching. Soon I'll be releasing applications. Please like and subscribe so I can provide more videos, and I'll offer more information all the time.